Very good afternoon, dear students. The last class discussed about 2 marks question, first 4 questions. Now we are discussing about next fifth question is given simplify. They given 3 questions. First question they given 2 into 1 matrix they given plus 3 into given 1 matrix. Observe in this first one, 2 it is a scalar element. Whenever scalar element and matrix they given, we can each element multiply with the scalar element. Here, what is scalar element here? 2 is a scalar element. That's why each element product with the 2. After that, another matrix also given 3 is a scalar matrix. So each element product with the scalar element. After that, we are adding those two matrices. Observe your solution. Now, each element product with the 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. 2 into 1 is 2, 2 into 3 is 6, 2 into 0 0, 2 into 4 is 8, 2 into 2 2 is 4. After that, the given symbol is plus. Next, each element product with the 3. So 3 into 0, 0, 3 into 2, 6, 3 into 1 is 3, 3 4 is 12, 3 into 2, 6, 3 3 is 9. After that, we are adding corresponding elements. Addition of two matrix condition is we are adding corresponding elements, nothing but adding first element plus first element, second element plus second element, like that. First element plus first element, 4 plus 0, next 2 plus 6, next 6 plus 3, next 0 plus 12, next 8 plus 6, next 4 plus 5. We are adding corresponding elements. We get the answer is 4 plus 0 is 4, 2 plus 6 value is 8, 6 plus 3 value is 9, 0 plus 12 value is 12, 8 plus 6 value is 14, 4 plus 9 value is 13. That is the first one answer. So you understood? First one they are asking simplify those given two matrices. Each element product with 2. This matrix each element product with 3. After that the given symbol is plus. That's why addition of two matrix condition is we are adding corresponding given. Finally we get the answer. See the second one. Here also here a scalar element 4. Here scalar element is 3. First you have product with each element 4. This matrix each element product with 3. After that we are subtracting the corresponding elements. This one see observing here. Each element product with 4. So 4 into 1 is 4. 4 into minus 1 is minus 4. 4 into 2 8. 4 into 3 12. 4 into 1 is 4. 4 into 0 0. After the symbol is negative is there. Negative. After that each element product with 3. 3 2 is 6. 3 into 0 0. 3 into minus 3 is minus 3. 3 4 is 12. 3 6 3 2 is 6. 3 5 is 15. After that, subtracting corresponding element because of the given symbol is negative. That's why we are subtracting corresponding elements. First element minus first element. 4 minus 6, minus 4 minus 0, 8 minus of minus 3 is plus 3, 12 minus 12, 4 minus 6, 0 minus 15. Now subtract those elements. 4 minus 6 that value is minus 2. Minus 4 minus 0 that value is minus 4. 8 plus 3 that value is 11. 12 minus 12 that value is 0. And 4 minus 6 that value is minus 2. 0 minus 15 that value is minus 2. These are required solution. Next we are going to third one. Here this matrix write as it is. Minus 1, 2, 4, 3, minus 1, 3, 1, 1, 0. Now, here in this matrix each element product with 1 by 2. That's why 4 into 1 by 2. So 1 into 1 by 2. So minus 2 into 1 by 2. So 2 into, so 2 into 1 by 2. 2 into 1 by 2. So 1 into 1 by 2. 3 into 1 by 2. 0 into 1 by 2, 0 into 1 by, because of here 1 by this is a scalar element, each element product with 1 by 2. Now this matrix write as it is -1 2 4 3 minus 1 3 1 1 0. Now simplify this one. 2 1 the 2 2 the 2 into 1 is 2. 1 into 1 by 2 that value is 1 by 2. 2 to get cancelled minus 1. 2 to get cancelled that value is 1. 2 to get cancelled that value is 1. So 1 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. 3 into 1 by 2 is 3 by 2. 0 into anything value is 0. 0 into anything value is 0. Now we are adding corresponding elements. Minus 1 plus 2. Minus 1 plus 2. 2 plus 1 by 2. 2 plus 1 by 2. 4 plus minus 1. Plus into minus is minus 1. In second row, 3 plus 1. You know right directly, don't know right step by step. Minus 1 plus 1. Next, 3 plus 1 by 2. 3 plus 1 by 2. Third row, first element plus first element. 1 plus 3 by 2. Next, 1 plus 0. 0 plus 0. 1 plus 0. 0 plus 0. Simplify this matrix elements. Minus 1 plus 2 that value is 1. The LSM value is 2. 2 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5 by 2. 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 value is 4. Minus 1 plus 1 that value is 0. The LSM value is 2. 2 3 is 6. 6 plus 1 value is 7. So here LSM is 2. 2 into 1 is 2. 2 plus 3 5. This value is get 5 by 2. 1 plus 0 0. 0 plus 0. This is the required solution for the fifth question. This is the solution of the fifth answer. Everyone understood how to addition of two matrices, how to subtracting of two matrices. This is a solution for that. Next we are going to sixth problems. I think everyone understood this question. So next we are discussing sixth one. Very easy. See the sixth one. Find x value and y value given that this given matrix are given that given matrix is minus 9 2 minus 5 minus 1 is equal to given matrix values are x and y. How to find the x value and y value? Observe in this question, left hand side they given. What is the symbol here given? Negative means we are subtracting the corresponding elements. Solution: given that the given matrix side minus 9 2 minus 5 minus 1 is equal to x y. So now first we have to simplify the left hand side matrix. The given symbol is negative. That's why we are subtracting corresponding elements. Means first element minus first element minus first element. Here minus 9. The given symbol is negative. Second minus first element is 5. Next we are going to second row first element. What is there here? 2. The symbol given negative. Here element is minus 1. Minus of minus plus 1 is equal to x y. Simplify this one. Minus 9 minus 5 that value is minus 14. Because of both values are negative, that's why putting same value symbol. After that adding 9 plus 5 that value is 14. 2 plus 1 that value is 3. How you know we get positive? 2. Minus of minus 1 is plus 1. That's why I am writing here plus 1. 2 plus 1 is 3 is equal to xy. Now these are two matrices are equal. That's why corresponding elements are equal. That's why first element is equal to first element. That's why x is equal to 14. X is equal to minus 14. So y is equal to 3 because of those two matrices are equal matrices. That's why in condition is corresponding elements are equal. That's why minus 14 is equal to x is nothing but x value how much? Minus 14. So y is equal to 3. What is the y value now? Y is equal to 3. Like that we can find the x value and y value. Understood? First we are subtracting the corresponding elements. After that, equating the corresponding elements. Finally, we get the x value and the y value. So, do you understand, students? Next, we are going to seventh problem. So, we are understanding the question. Easily we identify the x value and the y value. Seventh one. Capital A is equal to, given matrix is 3, 1, 4, 5, 6, 3x plus 1, and B matrix given 3, 5, 1, 6, 4, 3. Find x value, but given condition is A is equal to transpose of B. What is the given condition is? A is equal to transpose of B. First we have to write the condition. After the substitute A matrix and transpose of B matrix, easily we identify the x value. Listen. Right. Given matrices are given. Capital A is equal to 3, 1, 4, 5, 6, 3x plus 1. Next, B matrix given is equal to 3, 5, 1, 6, 4, 3. In the given question, transpose of B is there. That's why I am find the transpose of B. What is the condition for the transpose of matrix B means interchanging rows and columns. Now, transpose of matrix is B, that's why interchanging rows and columns. So, first row replace with the first column, second row replace with the second column, third row replace with the third column. Finally, we get the transpose of B matrix. Transpose of matrix, the condition is interchanging rows and columns. That's why row replace with first column, second row replace with second column, third row replace with the third column. According to that, given what is the given condition is A is equal to B complement. Right condition, A is equal to B complement. After that, substitute the A matrix and transpose of A matrix. What is the A matrix given? 3, 1, 4, 5, 6, 3x plus 1 is equal to transpose of B matrix. Don't substitute B matrix, but here given transpose of B matrix. That's why only we are substituting transpose of B matrix. We get the matrix is 3, 1, 4, 5, 6, 3. Now, two matrices are equal, corresponding elements are equal, but according to asking question, find the x matrix. That's why left side, where is the x function is there? Only this function. That's why 3x plus 1 is equal to, observe here, second row, third column. Here, second row, third column, what is the element will be there? 3 is equating the corresponding elements. Observe here, 3 is equal to 3, 1 is equal to 1, 4 is equal to 4, 5 is equal to 5, 6 is equal to 6, 3x plus 1 is equal to 3. Easily we identify the x value. So how to find x value? X comes like one side, remaining constant you can take right hand side. Plus 1 is the constant term. That's why we are taking right hand side. Plus 1 I am taking right hand side is equal to 3. Plus 1 we can take right hand side. We get the value is minus 1. 3x is equal to 3 minus 1, that value is 2. X is equal to 3, we can take denominator. X is equal to 2 by 3. Finally, we got the x value. This is solution for the 7th one question. Everyone understood how to find the x value. Because of, according to given question, we can equate in the capital A is equal to transpose of B matrix. After that, both matrices are equal matrices. That's why corresponding elements are equal. Although each elements are corresponding elements are equal, but this element is equal to this one. Finally, we get the x value. This is required for the 7th one answer. Everyone understood? Next, we are going to 8th problem. So very easy. I am explaining each step by step. So that's why everyone easily understanding this one. Next, eighth question. Solve for x and y means find the x value and y value. The given condition x into 2, 3, 2, 1 plus, not plus into y into 3, 5 plus 4, 6 is equal to given 12, 7. 12, 7. Observing in this question, solve for x and y means find the value of x and y. These are given condition. By using this condition, find the x value and y value. First, what are the given conditions? You should write. Given that x into 2, 1 plus y into 3, 5 plus 4, 6 is equal to 12, 7. So now, whenever x into, like that matter given here, x is nothing but what? Scalar element. Scalar multiplication of condition is each element product with the scalar element. Here scalar element x is, that's why each element product with x. Here y is a scalar element, each element product with y, like that. Now 2 into x is 2x, 1 into x is 1x plus each element product with y. 3 into y is 3y, 5 into y is 5y plus 4, 6 is equal to 12, 7. Observe here, all three matters where what is the symbol will be there? Plus symbol is there. That's why we are adding corresponding elements. Corresponding is first element plus first element plus first element. 2x plus 3y plus 4. Next, second row first element we are adding corresponding elements. 1x plus 5y plus 6 is equal to 12, 7. Now, equality of two matters and condition is corresponding elements are equal. First element is equal to first element, second element is equal to second element. That's why first element is 2x plus 3y plus 4 is equal to 12, implies 2x plus 3y is equal to plus 4, we can take that side. 12 minus 4, we get the equation is 2x plus 3y is equal to 8. Consider equation number 1. Next, second row first element is equal to first element. 1x plus 5y plus 6 is equal to 7, implies 1 into x is 1x plus 5y is equal to 7 plus 6, we can take that side, we get negative 6. X plus 5y is equal to 7 minus 6 is that 1. So, consider equation number 2. By solving equation number 1 and 2, we get the x and y value. Observe here, both x quotient are different is there, y quotient also different is there. That's why x and y quotient does not cancellation. That's why you can equating any one in x quotient both are equal. We get the x value or y. Here x quotient 2 is there, here x quotient only 1 is there. Here also x quotient 2 and 1 2, equation number 2 multiplied with 2. That's why now solving equation 1 and 2, we get first equation is 2x plus 3y is equal to 8. Next here, observe here, x coefficient 2 is there, but here x coefficient only 1 is there. That's why equation number 2 multiplied with 2, we get the x. 2 into 2x is 2x. 2 into 5 is 10y is equal to 2. Consider equation number 2. Now solving equation 1 and 3. Why? Because why we are equation 2 multiplied with 2? Because of observe those two equation 1 and 2. X quotient both are different, y quotient both are different. Elimination not possibility. That's why we can equate both x quotient and y quotient. Values are equal is there. Elimination is possible. That's why I am equating the x coefficient. Here x coefficient 2 is there. Here x coefficient 2 you want to. That's why equation to multiply with 2. Finally we get the equation is 2x plus 1y is equal to observe equation 1 and 3. X coefficient both are equal. Plus x coefficient will be get the y value. That's like solving 1 and 3. First equation is 2x plus 3y is equal to 8. Third equation is 2x plus 10y is equal to 2. Now subtracting sign will be changed. Subtracting sign will be changed. Plus 2x minus 2x get cancelled. 3y minus 10y, that value is minus 7y is equal to 8 minus 2, that value is 6. So y is equal to minus 6 by 7. So minus 7 go to the denominator, 6 by minus 7. Minus you should write numerator, denominator, value does not change. So y value get minus 6 by 7. Now y value substitute either equation number 1 or 2. Now y value substituting in equation number 2 we get. So equation number 2 is x plus 5y. X plus 5y place of y substitute minus 6 by 7 is equal to 1. Now x plus into minus is minus 5 6 are 30 by 7 is equal to 1. So constant term value you can take right hand side, minus 30 by 7 you can take that side, plus 30 by 7. So x is equal to, take equation is 7. 7 into 1 is 7. 7 plus 30 is 30 by 7. Not 30 by 7, 37. Because of 7 into 1 is 7. 7 plus 30 is 37 by 7. This is the x value and y value. First we are each term multiplied with x, each term multiplied with y. After that we are adding corresponding elements. After that equating the corresponding elements. So left hand side we will put x variable and y variable. Remaining constant we are taking right hand. That's why plus 4 we can take that side, minus 4. 12 minus 4 we get 8. Next this element is equal to this element. 1x plus 5y plus 6 is equal to 7. Plus 6 take that side, we get the 1. Now solving 1 and 2 by using elimination method. That's why x quotient 2 is there, here only x quotient 1 is there. Here also 2 we want to, that's why multiply with 2. After the solving 1 and 3, we get the x value and y value. These are required for the 8th one solution. Next we are going to 9th one. I think everyone understanding how to find the x value and y value in this question. If you have any doubt is there, you can ask to me. Already sir given my number. So anybody may have doubt will be there. We can call to me. I will discussing about the what's your doubts. Next we are going to 9th one. Find x and y. Find x and y given that x plus y is equal to 3 minus 1 x minus y is equal to 4 3 minus 1 8. Here find the x value and y value. So what is the given condition here? Two matrices are equal matrices. Then condition is corresponding elements are equal. First element is equal to first element, second element is equal to second element, third element is equal to third element, fourth element is equal to fourth element. But we have to find only x value and y value. Let's say what is the x value and y value? Only this one and this one. That's only equating those two elements only enough. Because of remaining elements automatically equal. Observe here, 3 equal to 3 equal. Minus 1 is equal to minus 1. These elements no need to in this question. That's only find the x value and y value. Only we can equate x variable y variable that particular places only. Now according to given question you should write given that x plus y and 3 minus 1 x minus 5 is equal to 4 3 minus 1 8. Whenever equal symbol given, that means equality of two matrices. Nothing but two matrices are equal. Automatically corresponding elements also equal. That's why first element is equal to first element. That's why x plus y is equal to 4. Consider equation number 1. This element is equal to this one equal. This element is equal to this one equal. X minus y is equal to 8. So consider equation number 2. Why you are not taking 3 and minus 1? Because of in the according to given question only find the x value and y value. That's why left hand side where it is the x variable, y variable, that's why that value places only that value is equal to that value only you can get. Remaining value automatically equal because of what is element here 3. Here what is element is 3, both elements are equal. That's why I am not taking, when I am taking x plus y, that position elements only. Finally we get the two equations by using elimination method. Find x1 and y1. Observing here also x variable y variable both functions are equal. So directly elimination is possibility. That's why solving equations 1 and 2. So solving equation 1 and 2 get. First equation is x plus y is equal to 4. Second equation is x minus y is equal to 8. So now by adding equation 1 and 2, sign will not change. That's why directly cancellation. Plus y minus y get cancel. X plus x is 2x is equal to 4 plus 8 is 12. 2 1 are 2 6 are. So x is equal to got 6. So now x value substitute either equation number 1 or 2. So x is equal to 6 value substituting in equation number 1 we get. So equation number 1 is x plus, in place of x substitute 6 plus y is equal to 4. Constant term you can take one side, plus 6 you can take, thus we get value is minus 6. So y is equal to 4 minus 6, that value is minus 2. Therefore x is equal to 6 and y is equal to minus 2. This is the required solution for the ninth one. Like that we can solve the equation 1 and 2. Finally we get the answer is x value and y value. This is the required solution for that. Next we are going to second exercise, last question. 2 marks question, last question. Here given condition is 2 3 7 5 plus 2 x minus 2 y minus 1 5 is equal to 4 1 7 10. Find x value and y value. Find x value and y value. So observing this question, left hand side the given symbol is plus, that's why we are adding corresponding elements. After that the given symbol is equal, that's why equating the corresponding elements. After that easily we have to calculate x value and y value. Now we are going to solution. Write the given condition is 2 3 7 5 plus 2 x minus 2 y minus 1 5 is equal to 4 1 7 10. Now left hand side the given symbol is plus symbol, that's why we are adding corresponding elements. First element plus first element is 2 plus 2 3 plus x minus 2. Second row first element plus first element 2 plus y minus 1. Second row second element plus second element 5 plus 5 is equal to 4 1 7 10. Now simplify the left hand side value. 2 plus 2 value is 4. 3 minus 2 that value is 1, that's why x plus 1 by minus 1 plus 2 that value is plus 1, 5 plus 5 that value is 10 is equal to 4 1 7 10. So now when those two matrices are equal, corresponding elements are equal, but there is only x and y value. In left hand side there is x function will be there only. Here means this element is equal first or second element. First or second element what is there here 1, that's why x plus 1 is equal to 1. So plus 1 you can take right hand side, 1 minus 1. So x is equal to 0. Next find the y value. So left hand side second row first element is y plus 1 is equal to the second row element what is there 7. Implies plus 1 you can take right hand side, 7 minus 1. So y is equal to 6. This is a required solution for the 10th one. This is a x value and y value. Dear students, if you have any doubt is there, please call to my number. Already sir given my number. So everyone, if you have any doubt is there, please contact me. I will explaining one side. Okay. So tomorrow we will discussing about 3 marks question. Thank you all.